Hello, hello, hello. I am going through a pretty tough time right now, and I was thinking, I know that I am not the only one that has these kind of experiences because I've actually had other people on disability reach out to me, and I've talked to them about the financial issues that go with being on disability. So I thought I am going to try to do like a video journal here and talk to you guys about it so that if you're going through it, you know you're not alone. And heck, maybe somebody will change this system. But I'm going to tell you, we're going to start like you don't know me. My name is Susie. I am on disability. I'm on long-term disability since August of 2017. And I have sarcoidosis, dysautonomia, small fiber neuropathy, fibromyalgia, and I have, my neurologist actually told me I have some cognitive impairment. So that's all I can remember for now. So that's all I'm going to tell you. I am here with no bra, no makeup, because if I took the time to beautify myself before I came on, I probably wouldn't even make this video. But I want to tell you what's going on. So I had a good job before I went on disability. And I actually paid extra for my long-term disability insurance because I've been on disability before and I know it's important, and I wanted to be prepared. So when you're going on disability and you're applying for disability, you don't think, I didn't realize that, well, the insurance companies are in it for profit. They're not in it to help people. And so the private company that does my long-term disability, every couple of years, I don't know if it just happens at year 2 and year 4, or if they're going to keep doing that for my life, they redefine what disability means. And then they evaluate your medical records again and see if you're still disabled under the new definition. That is so freaking stressful. It's hard enough when you're too sick to go to work, but then you have to constantly prove to the doctors and the insurance companies that you're sick, right? And then the stress of going through that makes you feel sicker. I know in my situation with sarcoidosis, stress definitely makes me feel sicker. I personally believe that that's true with any illness. You can tell me if I'm wrong. But yeah, stress definitely makes me feel sicker. And there's been so much stress due to this lately that I've actually had the thought, I think that it would be less stressful to work. But then I have the issue that I actually can't work. I don't have the energy for work. I know some people will probably say, well, if you can make a YouTube video, you can hold down a job. That's not true. I'm sitting here for a few minutes with no makeup, just blabbing. I'm not even going to edit this video. I'm just going to put it out there. That is different than holding down a job. Because my health is not reliable. And what little energy I do have, I need it for my personal care. I need it for bathing, for feeding myself, for cleaning my house, which I don't do those things as well as I used to. But anyway, I digress. So not bad enough that I have to prove for the 3rd time to these people that I am disabled, but then I get a letter in the mail. And this letter says that they paid me too much and I need to pay them back. And it's like, wait a second, wait a second. And then there's fine print on these letters that tells me that it's my responsibility to prove that I'm disabled. It's my responsibility to get the medical records into them. It's my responsibility to pay back all this money that they overpaid me. So they're going to decrease the amount of money they're paying me, And out of that, they're going to take a chunk to repay them what they've overpaid me. And that's only if they decide that I am still disabled. If they decide I'm not disabled, then I guess I'm supposed to, sorry about that. I guess I'm supposed to pay them out of my Social Security disability. I don't know what they're thinking. I do have one friend that sent me information about an attorney that I can contact. And that is stressful too. Calling an attorney is stressful. So I haven't done it yet. And so the whole thing is really scary. And there's more stress in there, but I think that's all I can actually share today. I don't know. Should I share the rest? It's very painful and hard, but now I've talked about it. So I probably should tell you. I will tell you, I have run up a bunch of credit card debt because what do people do when they're stressed? Well, I like to apply for credit cards and spend money that I don't have. And so it's put me in this financial hole where I've got all this debt and reduced income. And what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? So yeah, it sucks. It really sucks. And that doesn't help me to get better. And this is kind of a depressing video, but I just want you to know this is the reality in the United States of America. If you are disabled and too sick to work, the burden of proof is on you. You have to prove it to your doctors. You have to prove it to Social Security. You have to prove it. If you're lucky enough to have private disability insurance, you have to prove it to them not once, but every time they decide to redefine that word. And it sucks. And I'm sorry that this video is not more positive. I'm hoping there's a happy ending to this story. And so I'm going to continue to make videos to let you know how I'm getting through this, because there are a lot of us. There are a lot of disabled people in America. There are people that are disabled because of sarcoidosis. Some of them don't even have the private disability insurance. Some of them haven't even been able to be approved by Social Security. So I know I should be grateful because I am one of the lucky ones. I have Social Security and I have private disability insurance that so far has believed me that I'm disabled. And it's still hard. Isn't that ridiculous? It's so ridiculous. So thank you for listening to my rant. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.